everybody, and I am at Roblox right now, and I actually don't know why my webcam isn't working, so don't ask. Maybe my webcam. And today I'm actually going to show you how to get Eevee in Pokemon Advance, whatever this is. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm sorry, but I just don't know how to pronounce it. So, yeah. Okay. But this is how to get Eevee. And I'm not going to spawn in the ordinary area. I'm actually going to spawn in a different area. So, yeah. I've been playing this game, and I haven't shown you it. So, I'm going to show you it. And, of course, I will be playing as... See, I've been playing a little bit. I have an Eevee of 44. Now, this is you're playing as the Pokemon, and you level up by just walking around. So a lot of people online just help me so I can find more stuff. But yeah, this game is really fun though. So I'm going to play as Eevee for now. Spawn now. You can spawn here, but it's better to go over here. Oh, way too far. This place. It's better to spawn right here. And as you can see, this is what Eevee looks like. And you can hit Waterstone. I only have a Thunderstone on me, so you can come from the water, but it's better just to spawn here. You want to go over here, across the bridge. Oh, look, there's a sand cast. We're level 12. See, I'm already getting it, and I haven't even attacked someone, but the moves don't look very well, but the models look a lot better than the other ones. So, because I just hit them. Diversion! But after you come across the bridge, you want to turn left from the bridge and go over here. You do not want to fall down. You want to go on this little ledge, or you can just jump. I would recommend just go around here on this thing, go around that. Then you want to go over here in this little tunnel, right here, on this, just go around it, and Eevee is right here. So that's how you get Eevee in the game. But I'm also going to show you how to get a few other Pokemon, because this is going to just be a very short video. So if you want a Lickwick, I'm just going to go Lickwick because I like Lickwick. Just for now, I'm going to do Lickwick. Now, where's Lickwick? Cave. Oh, because the cave is here, I'll show you how to get another Pokemon because it's here. So you want to go on one side of the cave.
But you're level 45, Seth?
Yeah, that's my sister Daisy. Check her out, LPS Daisy the Wolf. But you want to go over here, and if you come from the other direction, just go to this entrance and turn left. Yep, and go to this gem, and there's this Pokemon right here. And that's the only Pokemon I know in here. Not all the Pokemon. Not all the Pokemon. What was I doing? Oh, Liquid. Now, here's a question. I don't know where to go. Oh, here it is. It's over here. I think. Yeah, it's here, over here. And $50 and 3 battle points. Battle points come from, like, little trophies, hidden things around, not by fighting Pokemon. This is for collecting stuff. So I'll collect a few pumpkins. Then you go in this little house here. Click. You click it, and I just got some Pokebucks. Hit this right there, and go. But if you keep going, you see this house, like this weird, creepy mansion. I don't actually know how to open the doors, but I've done it before. I just keep, like, doing stuff to it. Like stuff. I keep using Earthquake with Charizard or something like that. I forgot how to do it. I just keep doing stuff, and, looking around and pushing this, like one of these windows, and I just, hey, this house, blah blah blah. Then I just keep using earthquake or something. Just smash through the door. Tackle! Didn't really work. I don't actually know how to open these doors. Well, if you go in, last time I walked around the entire place looking for them. But if you get in, you walk forward, and then there's a candle. Go behind the candle, and yeah. Oh shoot! Open the door! Behind the candle over there. I can't seem to get it open, which stinks. But you know. Oh, it's level 3! Zap, 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 zap. How did I miss? Pin missile! Let's go T, tackle. Ugh. Yes, walk right in. Up. Thunder's effective. There it goes. I was like, wait, what's wrong? Pin missile! Okay. I just tackle him. Oh, he tried bulbing me or something. Oh, I got him. I am the one. Okay. Well, I got Jolteon here for now. Just got Jolteon just hopping around. Oh yeah, there's also another Pokemon up here that I can actually show you. The really big tree that has this stuff. You want to go up it. If I can even go up. Oh shoot. Oh wait, right here. Literally, right on the mushrooms under this. Actually has this guy right here. I already have him, but he's right here. That guy. It's good to, you want to get them all, don't you? You always want to get also. You know, showing them how to get most of them. I don't remember all of them, but I know them. Oh, Weedle! Weedle! Like he just, right here, over here beside the tree, has a Weedle right next to this place up here. So what do you want to do? You want to go up here. Boom, boom. I keep going too far. Jolteon, I think, is the fastest Pokemon in this game. Oh, so close. Ah, what's happening? Jolteon is the fastest Pokemon in this game, I'm pretty sure. And it's really hard to jump them. Finally, got up. Boop, 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 boop. Or up here. You go up here. Now you go over here, and there's a Pokemon right there. I'm not going to drop down. But if you also walk over on this edge over here, you can actually see Weedle right here. Now, that's a Mew statue. It's not, everywhere around it, there is no Mew. But, doesn't mean there's a Pokemon. There's actually a fight behind this place. And I don't know if that's a Thunderstone or a Shiny Stone. I know it's one of them, because I got it before. And in here, there's this Pokemon, and there's a Zygarde cell. But the problem is, there's one that got broke, which could be the Pichu, but I don't know. And don't even try to get the Pokemon off the screen. It does not work. I'm sorry. Oh shoot! What happened? Okay. I guess I'm here now. Okay. But go up here, just find a way up here. Then you just walk up to it, click on it, I already have it. Oh, the desert. I've never actually discovered the desert, so I didn't even know that there's a desert. I think there's gonna be a sand tree. Right? But I've never discovered the place. I'm almost forgetting that I'm making it wrong, because I love this game. It's fun. Whoa! What? I've never seen this place before. I've never seen it. Coming soon. Whoa! These are fossil Pokemon! These are fossil Pokemon! There's that, whoa! Oh my word! Whoa, there's lava. No! I died! No! I've never seen that area before. Okay, I'm gonna play as a Pokemon that may be able to survive lava. Like Charmander, spawn. You know, I'm gonna go to the desert. Here it is, spawn. What the? Whoa, it's over there. What's happening? Help! Maybe if I evolve. Evolve. What's happening? Maybe I'll fall down. Fall. I'm stuck! What is that? What is that? Okay. Oh my word, reset character. Reset. What is that? I've never seen this before, guys. Nah, I'm pretty sure they're slow. I'm just gonna... Oh, Greninja's really fast. This is Froakie, but I can evolve him. So let's go over here. Blah 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 blah. But I don't know. Oh, too far. We're spawning. Why is this happening? Am I just gonna need to walk? Why? Now, what is the closest place then? This place right here. I'm gonna do blah. I'll be back. Okay, guys. I finally actually got it to work. I had to restart the game like millions of times. But should have put Jolteon because Jolteon is the fastest. But I want to see what this thing is. Oh my word! I'm going too fast. What is this thing? Is there like a Pokemon around here? Maybe. Pokemon? Is there a Pokemon around this cactus, or? This was a waste? Was this really just a waste? Just to keep... There's Reggie Rock's place. So you get Reggie Rock. Oh. No Pokemon? Should Sandshrew be around? What's that? What's that? Oh, it's just a rock on a... Wait, is that... Can I pick... I can't pick that up. What was that? Wait, what? Wait. This is another one? This is a rock I can... That's gravel! This is... Whoa! Wait 1 second. Hold on. I'll be back in a little. Okay. Right here. I don't know, but I know that there's a shopkeeper right here. And I don't know if he'll actually use gravel. Because some people use gravel like the forger. Pokédolls for a mine? Then, what do I need gravel for? How do I know it's gravel? I don't actually know. It could be something else. Inventory. Click on. Tap. Yeah, gravel rock. I have 0 megastones as well. Now you know what I've been playing. I've been playing this for quite a bit. That's how I like high level Pokemon. And that's it for now. So hopefully you enjoyed. I sure did because I love this game. So that's it for now. So that's all. So good.